तो गाइस चलिए हम लोग चालू करते हैं ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड पॉपुलेशन का डिस्कशन। रिवाइज कीजिए 13.1.2 रिस्पॉन्सेस टू एबायोटिक फैक्टर्स को। Having realized that the abiotic conditions of many habitats may vary drastically in time, we now ask how do the organisms living in such habitats cope or manage with stressful conditions. But before attempting to answer this question, we should perhaps ask first why a highly variable external environment should bother organisms after all. One would expect that during the course of millions of years of their existence, many dash would have evolved a relatively constant internal within the body environment that permits all biochemical reactions and physiological functions to proceed with maximal efficiency and thus enhance the overall fitness of the species. This constancy, for example, could be in terms of and dash of the body fluids. Ideally, then, the dash should try to maintain the constancy of its internal environment, a process called dash, despite varying external dash conditions that tend to upset its dash. Let us analogy to clarify this important concept. Suppose a person is able to perform his or her best when the temperature is dash and wishes to maintain it so. Suppose a person is able to perform his or her best when the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and wishes to maintain it so even when it is dash could outside. It could be achieved at home, in the car while traveling, and at workplace by using an air conditioner in summer and heater in winter. Then his or her performance would be always maximal, regardless of the weather around him or her. Hence, the person dash is accomplished not through physiological but artificial means. How do other living organisms cope with this situation? Let us look at various possibilities. Figure 13.3 डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्मिक रिस्पॉन्स को 10 बार बनाइए इस फिगर को। चलिए फर्स्ट रेगुलेट को रिवाइज कीजिए। कुछ ऑर्गेनिजम्स एबल होते हैं मेंटेन करने के लिए डैश बाई फिजियोलॉजिकल, कभी कभी behavioral also means which ensures dash comma dash etc. सारे बर्ड्स और मैमल्स और कुछ लोअर वर्टिब्रेट और इनवर्टिब्रेट species are indeed capable of such regulation, that is dash dash and dash dash. इवोल्यूशनरी बायोलॉजिस्ट बिलीव करते हैं कि द सक्सेस जी हाँ द सक्सेस ऑफ मैमल्स इज लार्जली ड्यू टू देयर एबिलिटी टू मेंटेन ए डैश डैश एंड थ्राइव वेदर दे लिव इन डैश डैश in the dash dash. The mechanism used by dash dash to regulate their body temperature are similar to the ones that we humans use. We maintain a constant body temperature of dash dash degrees Celsius. समर में जब आउटसाइड टेम्परेचर हमारे बॉडी टेम्परेचर से ज़्यादा होता है वी स्वीट प्रोफ्यूजली द रिजल्टिंग डैश डैश सिमिलर टू व्हाट हैपन्स विद ए डेजर्ट कूलर इन ऑपरेशन ब्रिंग डाउन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. इन विंटर जब टेम्परेचर मच लोअर होता है 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस से वी स्टार्ट टू डैश डैश ए काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज विच प्रोड्यूसेस हीट एंड राइजेस द बॉडी टेम्परेचर्स. Plants, on the other hand, do not have such mechanism to maintain internal dash dash. सेकेंड कॉनफॉर्म को रिवाइज कीजिए. An overwhelming majority, that is dash dash percent of animals and nearly all plants cannot maintain a dash dash environment. उनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर चेंज करता है विद द एम्बियंट टेम्परेचर. इन डैश डैश एनिमल्स the osmotic concentration of the body fluids changes with that of the ambient air water osmotic concentration. ये एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स आर सिंपली डैश डैश. ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए कांस्टेंट इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट के बेनिफिट्स को कंसाइडर करते हुए वी मस्ट आस्क व्हाई दीज कॉन्फॉर्मर्स हैड नॉट इवॉल्व टू बिकम रेगुलेटर्स. Recall the human analogy we used above. Much as they like, how many people can really afford an air conditioner? Many simply sweat it out and resign themselves to suboptimal performance in hot summer months. Dash dash is energetically expensive for many organisms. This is particularly true for small animals like dash dash and dash dash. Heat loss or heat gain is a function of dash dash. Since small animals have a larger surface area relative to their volume, they tend to lose body heat very fast when it is dash dash outside. Then they have to expend much energy to generate dash dash through metabolism. This is the main reason why very small animals are rarely found in dash dash regions. During course of evolution, the dash dash and dash dash of maintaining a constant internal environment are taken into consideration. Some species have evolved the ability to regulate, but only over a limited range of environmental conditions beyond which they simply dash dash. If the stressful external conditions are localized or remain only for a short duration, the organism has two other alternatives for survival. थर्ड, रिवाइज कीजिए माइग्रेट को. The organism can move away temporarily from the dash dash to a more hospitable area and return when a stressful period is over. Human analogy में this strategies is like a person moving from Delhi to Shimla for the duration of summer. बहुत सारे animals, particularly birds, during winter undertake long distance migration to more hospitable area. जी हाँ, more hospitable area. Every winter, the famous dash dash, that is Bharatpur in Rajasthan, hosts thousands of migratory birds coming from dash dash and other extremely cold dash dash regions. फोर्थ को रिवाइज कीजिए. सस्पेंड. बैक्टीरिया, फंजाई और लोअर प्लांट्स में वेरियस काइंड्स के थिक वाल्ड स्पोर्स फॉर्म्ड होते हैं विच हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव unfavorable conditions. These germinate on availability of suitable environment. In higher plants, dash dash and some other dash dash structures serve as means to tide over periods of stress besides helping in dash dash. They germinate to form new plants under favorable moisture and temperature conditions. They do so by reducing their dash dash and going into a state of dash dash. Animals में the organism, if unable to migrate, might avoid the stress by escaping in time. The familiar case of bear going in dash dash during winter is an example of escape in time. Some snails and fish go into dash dash to avoid summer related problems, heat and dash dash. Under dash dash conditions, many zooplankton species in lakes and ponds are known to enter dash dash, a stage of suspended development.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.